Want to know how to sign in to Best Buy with Google? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just simply link your Best Buy account to Google easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. First things first, just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also prepared a video on how to install and various videos regarding Best Buy. So make sure to watch it on our channel. So once everything is done, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile video, just like that. And now once you select your profile, you should be seeing various interfaces popping up, and then just simply select account settings. So now once you've selected account settings, just simply scroll all the way in the bottom and you should be seeing sign in with Google below connection. Just simply select that. So just simply select connect with Google, and here you should be seeing the various accounts popping up if you have logged in with any in your device. So you can just simply choose any account. You should be automatically logged in, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you next one.